A very good evening. This is Abigail R. Carmelim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. The second day of the EAO team visit in Vietnam commenced with a solemn celebration of the Holy Eucharist at 6:30 a.m., presided over by the Rector Major Cardinal Angel Fernandez Artime. During the homily, Father Stefano Martoglio, Vicar of the Rector Major, urged the participants to embrace a spirit of renunciation and wholeheartedly follow the teachings of Jesus, becoming dedicated disciples of Don Bosco. The day's proceedings commenced with a thought-provoking presentation by Father Miguel Angel Garcia, the General Counselor for Youth Ministry, on the topic of sharing mission with laity. He emphasized that the essence of sharing the Salesian mission lies in fostering a shared Salesian spirit and charism. Father Miguel passionately conveyed the importance of recognizing the equal value and significance of lay people in the Salesian mission, rejecting any notion of hierarchical distinction between vocations. The extraordinary visitation by Father Hugo Orozco, Counselor for the Inter-America region, to the Salesian community in Punto took place from 6 to 8 February. Arriving on the evening of 5th February, Father Orozco began his visit the next morning with a personal meeting with the 4 Salesians who reside in the St. John Bosco community. In the afternoon, he met the young people from the Salesian youth movement in Punto Fijo, celebrated the Eucharist in the parish of Our Lady of Fatima, and met with pastoral agents and members of the educative and pastoral community EPC. On 7 February, he visited the Salesian Pius XII school in Coro, where he also had a festive meeting with the young people and other members of the EPC. On the occasion, the regional councillor stressed the importance of the Salesian family and the laity committed to safeguarding the charism of St. John Bosco. Queen Letizia of Spain presided over an event on the occasion of World Saver Internet Day, during which some students from the Salesian school Our Lady of the Rosary in Rota received an award from Spanish National Institute of Cybersecurity for their project. The students made a short film entitled "Ask for Help, You Can Change the Ending," in which they denounce the risk of harassment on social networks and highlight how the latter can even lead to suicidal thoughts, but that there are ways out and alternatives for help. The students Mary Felix Sanchez and Agustin Ramos, representing the entire working group, together with the teacher Emilio Ruiz, who guided them in the process, went to the NH Collection Real Casino in Madrid, where the event presided over by Queen Letizia. Last February 11, the Santa Brigida Chinese Catholic Church in the Chinatown neighborhood of Los Angeles celebrated the grand opening of the Mary Help of Christians Center. Monsignor Matthew Gregory Elshoff, Auxiliary Bishop of Los Angeles, and the parish priest of Santa Brigida, the Salesian Father Peter Pong, presided over the ribbon-cutting moment with which the center was officially inaugurated. The latter will be dedicated to supporting the teachings of St. John Bosco and will help young people in Los Angeles become good Christians and upstanding citizens. During the festive inauguration, 2 other events were also celebrated, namely the wedding anniversary of the longest-lived couple in the parish, the couple Tom and Lily Lowe, married for 75 years, and the celebrations for the Lunar New Year, with the Chinese community welcomed the Year of the Dragon. The semester course organized by the Don Bosco College, Anak Vika Davu, Department of Psychology in Psychological Counseling, has come to an end. It was a very successful course attended by 35 participants from different backgrounds. On 13 February, as part of a ceremony held in the Don Bosco College auditorium, Father Jose Thomas Koyakal, Superior of the Province of Bangalore, delivered the certificates of participation to the students and recalled the importance of mental health, highlighting the role that professionals have in providing help and support to those in need. During the course, Father Kyriakos Palikanal SDP, with his team from the Department of Psychology, provided valuable insights on various aspects, including basic and advanced skills in counseling, conflict resolution, peaceful communication, and psychological first aid. The program also included supervised tutorials and written assignments, thus ensuring a holistic learning experience for all participants. St. Saviour's High Secondary School, Patha Liaghar, celebrated a grand farewell for its Class 10 and 12 students of 2023-24 on Feb 15. Organized by Class 9 and 11 students alongside the principal, the event featured prayers, speeches by Father Babu Stefan SDB and Father Blasius, vibrant dances by classes 5 to 11 and memento presentations. Students exchanged gifts as tokens of gratitude and enjoyed a tea party. The school community emphasized remembering roots, making the school proud, and wished the outgoing students success and happiness in their future endeavors. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.